The fourth level of thinking is analyzing. To analyze information, you compare it, you deconstruct or structure the information, you examine its parts and you question it. Analyzing is going deeply into the subject. A strategy for doing this is to ask why, how, and what. First, you ask why. This can be, why is this information important? Why should I learn this? You find the purpose behind it. Then you can ask how. How is this purpose achieved? How is the process structured? Then finally, you go into the details. What are the specific details that go into it? An example of this is learning microeconomics. First, why do we need microeconomics? What is its purpose? Your answer to this might be that it helps us understand the role of supply and demand in the economy. Secondly, how is this purpose reached through microeconomics? Here you might say that we reach this understanding by building mathematical models with certain initial conditions and simplifications. Lastly, what are the specific tools from microeconomics that empower people or businesses to reach that purpose? This is where you go into details. You might go into specific mathematical models like the standard supply and demand model. The assumption of consumer rationality is a central idea to microeconomics, so you might look into how valid this assumption is. Answering these questions forces you to remember, understand, and apply the knowledge. You formulate 3 questions based on why, the purpose, how, the process, and what, the specifics. Then you continuously ask yourself these questions. When you first do this, both your questions and answers might be silly or outright funny, but over time, both your questions and your answers will improve as you gain deeper insight into the subject.